Good morning, everyone. It's Aisha Chidole from the Chidole Law Firm. I'm an attorney here in Florida, and today I want to talk about a question that I get asked often about trademarks, which is, should you trademark your name or should you trademark your logo? A lot of times, of course, one, the answer depends, as most attorneys will tell you. If you have the budget to trademark both, then it's wonderful. You can trademark both. But if your budget is only to trademark one, you know, um, I would always suggest different things in different scenarios. So, if you have a logo that's just an arbitrary logo that does not include the name, or anything of that nature, I would of course say trademark your name. Trademark your name because, you know, businesses a lot of times rebrand and change their logos, and especially if you're a new business, by year 3, the odds of you changing your logo is likely.